Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes. Today, we are going to do revision in numeracy. Kids, do you all remember number names that we had already done in our previous sessions? Yes. So today, we will be revising number names 1 to 20. First, we'll do orally and then we'll write the same in our notebook. So kids, let's start our session by revising number names 1 to 20. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Now kids, let's write these number names in a notebook. We shall start with today's date, that is 8.3.21. Then leave two boxes and write the heading, that is in capital U M B E R. Number. Then leave one finger space in capital A M E S. Put a bracket. Write 1 dash 1 0 10 and close the bracket. Number names 1 to 10. Then leave a line. Then near to the margin line leave a box and write 1 dash O N E 1 without leaving a line. 2 dash T W O 2. 3 dash T H R E E 3. Next 4 dash F O U R 4. 5 dash F I V E 5. 6 dash S I X 6. 7 dash S E V E N 7 8 dash E I G H T 8 9 dash N I N E 9 and 1 0 10 dash T E N 10. This we wrote number names 1 to 10. Now on the next page we'll write number names 11 to 20. So today's date 8.3.21. Leave 2 boxes and with the heading N capital U M B E R number 1 finger space N capital A M E S number names within the bracket 11 dash 20 and close the bracket. Again leave one line and near to the margin line without leaving a box write 11 dash E L E V E N 11. Next 1 2 12 dash T W E L V E 12. 1 3 dash T H I R T E E N 13. Next 1 4 dash F O U R T E E N 14. 1 5 dash F I F T E E N 15. 1 6 dash S I X T E E N 16. 1 7 dash S E V E N T E E N 17. 1 8 dash E I G H T E E N 18. 1 9 dash N I N E T E E N 19. And 2 0 dash T W E N T Y 20. This we wrote number name 11 to 20. Now children, before ending our session, let's sing a rhyme. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many fingers on both hands? How many fingers on both hands? How many fingers on both hands? Let's all count together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Let's all clap together. Yay! So kids, today we revised number names 1 to 20. You all keep revising and learning the spellings of each number name. I shall see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.